Hello, good evening friend. Today I am giving a lecture on stacks. So topic for this presentation is stack. What is it? ADT means abstract data type for stack, applications for stack and implementation for stack. Now what is a stack? Stack is a data structure which stores a set of elements in a particular order. Stack principle is generally LIFO. LIFO means last in first out. It means the last element inserted is the first one to be removed. For example, the stack of plate. Now by this example we can see what is stack. Now application of stack. In real life we have pile of books, plate, trays. More application related to computer science, program execution stack means read more from your text. Now what is ADT for stack? Objects, a finite order list with 0 or more elements. Methods. For stack we have different methods like push, pop, extra. Now for this we first create the stack. For the stack creation, if we create static stack, for this we have maximum size of stack. Now this create an empty stack whose maximum size is max size, stack size. Now one more function for stack is full. This is full function is boolean function which return that either stack is full or not. If number of element in stack is maximum stack size, means our stack is full, and this function is full function returns true. But if the number of element is less than maximum limit of stack size, then it return false. For another function for stack is push function. Now one more function is empty. In this empty we can check that whether stack is empty or not. For this we check the size of stack. If size of stack is equal to maximum limit of stack, means our stack is full. But if size of stack is 0 element, then it returns true. If we have some element in stack, then it returns false. Now another function is pop function. For this pop function, first we check that stack is empty or not. If our stack is empty, means we have no element in stack to pop. So first we check is empty stack, and stack is empty means there is no element in stack, then we return. But if some elements are there, so we return the item on the top of this stack. Now we can implement stack in different manners. One manner is array based stack. In this array based stack allocation, we first allocate the size of stack. It is predefined because array is a static data structure. So at the time of creation of stack, we define some maximum n element in stack. Now the bottom element of the stack is stored at location 0. Now as we insert the element in stack, they are increased by 1. And as far as we insert the element in the stack, it is increasing the pointer, means top of the stack. Last element in the array is the top element, and as we increase the number of elements in stack, we increment the top. Now it is the general C implementation for stack. It is there are function for create, empty and full. It is the function for push, how we push in stack. Pop. Now one more function is there for popping of element. Now one more implementation for stack besides this array based implementation is list based stack implementation. In list based stack implementation, generally we create linked list for stack. Now for this linked list of stack, we implement the linked list implementation for stack creation. This is the push and pop for this. Now application. Why we require stack? Actually stacks have many applications. One application is infix to postfix conversion. This is given this example that we have some infix expression. Now this infix expression is converted to some postfix expression. Infix expression means that we have operator in between operands, and postfix expression means we have operand, and after this operand we have operator. Now this is the precedent and associative rule for operators. Okay,